we actually have the first ever modification, y'all. We got some LED dynamic turn signals for the mirrors. Massive thank you to Canadian Auto Performance. They've been a massive help to this channel with the Audi S5 and everything. They have a bunch of Audi parts on the website, including with the turn signals. We just gotta fit this whole wiring loom in here now. After that, we need to position the mirror back to its regular position because I believe it's easier to detach the outer shell from the inner structure. Check that out with the old and in with the new. Look at this, like a satin finish. So nice. Now to put it back, I pretty much had to remove the casing altogether and put the light back in to secure with all the little Torx bolts. Wow, that looks really good. This is actually one of those subtle modifications that kind of looks so good. And just like that, this thing looks absolutely awesome. I mean, it's just cool seeing the mirror on the car, but you also got this little nice matte satin finish to it. With that being said, let's go to the other side.